How to fix Renpho massager or massage gun is not working or it's not just starting step by step in this video. For this, inspect the charger and the cable. Use the original charger. Make sure you're using the original charger of the massage gun and check for the damage. Look for frayed wires, bent pins or cracks. Test another charger if you've got a compatible spare. Give it a try to rule out charger issues. Step 2 is charge the device properly. Secure the connection, double check the cable is snug into the port. Be patient, let it charge for at least 30 minutes if the battery was completely drained. Look for charging lights. If there is no light, that's clue. Step 3 is clean the charging port. Inspect for dust, shine a light in there. So it might be hiding. Click gently, use compressed air or soft brush. Step 4 is reset the device. Power cycle, turn it off, unplug everything, wait for a few minutes, then try again. Manual reset, if your tech savvy and warranty is expired, you just have to do a manual reset. Step 5 is consider battery replacement if this issue persists after doing all this. Thank you so much for watching this video.